Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As a middle-aged woman, I'm always looking for some great recipe as come to juicing or anything that make my skin look better and younger. So today I'm gonna show you how to make aloe vera juice with ginger. Aloe vera is a popular medicinal plant that has been used for years. It's best known for treating skin injuries, but also has several amazing beneficial effects on health, such as natural detoxifier. It supports our immune system. It lowers cholesterol and blood sugar. It enhances skin health, get rid of constipation, and reduce arthritis. It's also cure gum disease too. First, you wash the aloe vera thoroughly, then cut into smaller pieces and then try to peel the skin off as quickly as you can. So it can look like this. Beautiful. Then you cut them in smaller pieces so it can be puree in the blender. Peel a small piece of ginger as big as a thumb size, and then slice them thinly as well so it can be easily puree in the blender too. Add about a cup of water to 3 pieces of aloe vera and ginger and then blend it for about a minute. Strain the mixture into a glass. Squeeze 1 lemon to the mixture. Add some regular honey or some lemon honey into the mixture just to sweeten things up a little bit. You can add a couple teaspoons or more, depends on your taste. Last but not least, add some ice and pour the mixture over the cup and enjoy. If you have any question, please leave me a comment below and I will be gladly to answer your question. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.